Cherish with me to the quiet world of art tales.
Hello, I hope you all are spending cozy life and staying safe at your place. This video is gonna be quite different what I usually post. This is basically a cute haul video. So let's start with the first product. So our first product is Panda Coin Bank. From the upper portion of it, we insert coins. It has cute green color plate printed ribbon on his neck. We could open its neck to take some money out. It has little tail kind of thing, see? Has 4 legs also to stand it on my table, and when I put it on my table, it looks so cute. So our next product is also a panda item. It is a panda stapler. It is so kawaii. I am such a stationery fetish person. I just love to collect cute stationery. It staples well. Its quality is good. It is cute. What else we expect from a stapler? Our next product is as cute as real My Melody is. This is a cute My Melody scissor. It has a cute blue ribbon on its ear. It is made in Sanrio. My camera is not focusing properly, but it's Sanrio written over here. It is basically a makeup scissor, but I use it for my crafting purpose also because I enjoy using it. Next product is this pastel colored comb. I bought this comb from Miniso. It has a soft plastic material. It is not that wide, not that tight to comb. It was around 200 bucks I think, and it has small hole to hold it. This is also a very cute product. Next is this floral print knotted headband. It has elastic at its back so that it does not lose us. Look at its print. So cute, na? I always look for these kind of prints because it looks so cute. Its fabric is so good. I really like it. It's my favorite headband. So our next product is this Hello Kitty calculator. It is a basic 8-digit calculator. When you pull its head, screen gets visible to us. Its numeric buttons are designed in heart shape, which gives it extra cuteness. And see how cutely Hello Kitty is written over there. I am not a student anymore, so I don't use it as much. But if you are a student, you should definitely buy this because cuteness is something that makes us more concentrated. So our next product is a Hello Kitty spray bottle. It was my first purchase from AliExpress. It's a travel friendly spray bottle. I have added some rose water in it. Look at her cute polka dotted pink frock. It is so cute. Our next product is a bit different. We could consider it as a decorative item. It's a pink mini candy bucket. Has little heart shaped hole all over it. I put my candies in it, and I am planning to add some fairy lights in it and then hang it on my room wall, which gives it very eye-catchy look. Okay, so viewers, you guess what is it? Tell me in the comment section below. Okay, so I tell you, it's a lip balm. There were 4 variants available in it. One was Hello Kitty, second was My Melody, third was Cinnamon Roll, and fourth one was Pumperine. I chose Pumperine because I don't had any Pumperine character stuff before, and I am so happy by choosing it. It has very different lemony fragrance plus nourish our lips so well. I will link all the products in the description box below. Next is this Rilakkuma pencil case. It's my favorite item of this haul. There's Rilakkuma written over here and it has a small tail. See how cute, na? The zip holder is in heart shape. I am putting some of my pens in it, but still, you will see there's a lot of space to put more stationery in. See, I am tickling on his tummy. It was a bit expensive item, but totally worth it. I absolutely love it. Next is also a Rilakkuma item. It is a Rilakkuma hairbrush. I bought it from an Instagram page named Blushbox Chennai. One thing I want to mention is that the holder is a bit small. If it was little more large, would be more comfortable to hold. Apart from this, product is so good and brushes so well. If Rilakkuma was there, so how could we forget Rilakkuma? It's a storage box. It has 2 holes on both the sides to hold it. I put my stickers and washi tapes in it. There were 3 colors available in it. One was brown, second one was cream, and third one was yellow. And I got green color, and I am so happy for that. I will link all the products in the description box below, so that if anyone of you wants to buy any product, could find it easily. So that's all for the video. If you find this video cute, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. XOXO.